Hey, in this video I want to share our new Google Ads script. It's called the Black Friday Recommendations script. And this script gives you recommendations based on historical performance of last year for the Black Friday period. So what we did, we put out some statistics in the Google Ads spreadsheet, which gives you your campaign names, your conversion rate during the different periods, your CPC, and your ROAS. Based on that, you get a few recommendations. And you get a recommendation for your budget, a recommendation for your seasonality adjustment. So what we did, and what you can see here, is that we have a few columns for each of the periods. So we have pre-Black Friday, Black Friday itself, and post-Black Friday. In the script, you can set all of those settings in the dates period, and you can also set a few other options. You have also a section which is the graphs, and here you can see the conversion rates during the period. So you have your November, which is before the Black Friday, then you have pre-Black Friday, and post-Black Friday. So these graphs give you a lot of performance on how your Black Friday campaigns were doing previously in the last year, and what you can do to optimize them this year, and what you can expect a little bit. So for example, I have a campaign here. This is a spreadsheet, and we have a shoes campaign for Black Friday in the US. And what you can see here is that the conversion rate is 8.5% Black Friday, before Black Friday. And then it dropped a little bit to 4.6, and then it even dropped lower during Black Friday, on Black Friday itself, and then after it was higher again. So this could have been a few reasons, or the competitors could have had better sale, for example, or something else. We also have an example that the conversion rate for the cosmetics campaign in France was during November 11.6%. Then pre-Black Friday, which was a few days, had 12.6% of conversion rate, but on Black Friday itself it had 17%, so it was really high. So in this specific campaign, we can say, okay, the conversion rate is going to be a lot higher on the pre-Black Friday, and Black Friday itself, we have to set a seasonality adjustment. And you can also see that after Black Friday, the conversion rate was a little bit lower than November itself. So you can tweak a little bit with all of those examples. So you also can see something similar here and here, but then also a big peak in here. So all of these campaigns have a little different conversion rate during the periods, and you can just adjust it to how you want it. And the script is available on ppclibrary.com. The link is in the description, and you can easily install it in your Google Ads account and use it for every year. Alright, thank you very much, and like and subscribe.